Three congruent triangles are joined together as shown below. Parts of the triangle are shaded gray. One more congruent triangle is added to these triangles. Half of this extra triangle is shaded gray. What fraction of all the four congruent triangles is shaded gray? So the congruent triangle, the triangles would be, so this is one triangle. So this is triangle number 1, and this is triangle number 2. This is triangle number 3. So these are the three congruent triangles. Now parts of it are shaded. Okay, now we have to add one more congruent triangle. So obviously the other congruent triangle will be, if we are to join this, if we are to extend this, so it should meet, it's my drawing that's not correct. So this is the triangles. If we join, so if we join this, it should be, because this would be the diagonal of a square. So you see this, if you were to name it A, B, C, D, so A, B, C, D would be a square, and AB equals BC equals CD, because the triangles are congruent. So the end sides, these bases would be equal, and of course the sides, each side would correspond to the other side. So 1 and 1, and then we could say this is 1, and these two would equal to these two, so that's the so I think if we were to extend this, and this would be the other congruent triangle. So if this was the other congruent triangle, this is the third congruent triangle. So if we don't need to show the equal sides. So if that's the third congruent triangle, so then, not third, sorry, fourth congruent triangle, so then we have to, half of this extra triangle is shaded gray, so half of that would clearly be an extension of this line. So this is shaded gray, so I don't have a gray in my color palette, so maybe I can shade it blue. So so this is shaded, right? So half of it is shaded. So that's shaded. So now they're saying what fraction of all the four congruent triangles are shaded. So we can do something now, is we can draw some lines which will help us understand the parts of the triangle that are shaded gray. So if we look at if you look at the parts that are the triangles that are formed, so you have, this is one triangle, and these two, they are equal, and let me use black. So this is 1, this is 2, and if I were to draw a line, this would be 3, this is 4, that would be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, they are all equal in area, right? And then if we are to do here, so joining from the vertex to the other side, so we are doing 4, then we do 5, 6, 7, 8, and then again if I were to draw this, that's half of it, and then again half of it. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, and then extend it 13, 14, and then we extended the line So we get 15 and we get 16. So this figure has been divided into 16 equal parts. So there are 16 equal parts now. So out of these 16 equal parts, shaded parts are, so shaded parts are these. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So shaded parts equal 11. Therefore, what fraction of all the four congruent triangles is shaded gray? The answer would be 11 out of 16.